Alright, the task is first identify the type of fastener we got. There's the markings right there on the bolt head. Make sure I get a good another angle. Make sure we can read everything. 1 1/8 wrench size. Going on the back. 2, 4, 6, 8. So how much can that thing carry? What is the load? What is the tensile numbers on those bolts? How much will 1 carry and how much will 8 carry? And does the distance apart matter? Does the spacing matter? How do you calculate all of it? What kind of math are you using? Give me every detail. How much weight can I put on that beam?